What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Hellcat era is coming to a close as Dodge CEO Tim Kuniskis has revealed that the almighty engine will die in late 2023. So, speaking to Motor Authority at the Los Angeles Auto Show, Kuniskis says there's 2 more years to buy a Hellcat and then it's history. And his death is partially the result of the compliance fines that target gas guzzlers such as the Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat. As a result, Kuniskis said that the cars you know today will go out of production by the time we get to 2024. The Charger and Challenger will reportedly be replaced by new cars on new platforms, although the executive declined to say if the vehicles will keep their familiar names. Now, the moves are a part of the brand's never lift strategy, and Kuniskis noted that there is a lot in the pipeline, including the electric muscle car concept that was teased earlier this year, the model that will debut in the next 4 or 5 months to help preview what we can expect in 2024. Near term, a mystery Dodge plug-in hybrid will go into production late next year, and little is known about it, but the vehicle will be a new car that will soon be shown. And that's not much to go on, but the model isn't a plug-in hybrid Durango, and Kuniskis was non-committal about the SUV's future. However, previous reports have suggested that the model will die, and that aligns with the executive statement that Dodge's current lineup will be gone by 2024. Now, the plug-in hybrid isn't the only new model on the horizon, as Kuniskis told Motor Trend that the company will introduce a very significant car at the end of the year. Details are non-existent, but Dodge seems to think it's a big deal. And while Dodge is undergoing a major transformation, it appears that the Charger and Challenger will go out with a bang, as the company is promising plenty of buzz models and special editions such as the jailbreak variants that you see here today. So with that said, are you guys sad? Are you devastated? Are you upset? Are you shocked to know that the Charger and Challenger Hellcats are dying by 2023? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. When you give it a big thumbs up, it helps get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Hellcat engines dying by the year 2023. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Now, I'm also having my Black Friday sale for my Ron's Rise merch, where if you use the coupon code BLKFRIDAY, you get 40% off of all Ron's Rise merch, including long sleeve shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rise. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.